Yeah, you're the man.
It's not
So
representing
the
the
man.
best.
Yeah, I'm the man. For the girl, them.
Yeah.
I do.
Hey guys, and welcome to another vlog on my channel. I am Stella, aka Lady Rella, aka your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. Anyways guys, in today's vlog I will be taking you guys to school. I recently started a master's program 2 months ago, yes, February, at National Open University Abuja, and my study center is at Wuse2. So exams are just by the corner, and I mean like next week literally our exams will be starting, and this is more like verification period, so I need to go get verified and I need to go get my exam slip and get it stamped so I can participate in the exam. The past 3 weeks have just been TMAs, that's tutor mapped assessment. It's the normal quiz we have in the typical Nigerian university setting. So it's been crazy, you get. We've had like 3 TMAs. In fact, I haven't even started the 3rd one, and I know I have to be done with it before 12th of April, because by 12th of April it will be closed. So I'll definitely get it done before the 12th of April. I've done the first one, done the second one, just the 3rd one. I'm trying to, attend to other things too, because man shall not live by Open University TMAs alone. That's by the way. Being an open and distance learning program, one has to be really careful. If not, a lot of things will just happen and you won't be aware of it. So you have to be on their website like 247 to be sure you're updated on everything that is happening. I have been making sure I stay updated. So every day when I get back from work, I make sure I open their site, see if there's any announcement, see if there's any program coming up that would be of interest to me or needs my attention, needs my attending. And then my very good friend also helps make sure I'm updated. Like, she could just check up on me and be like, hey Stella, do you know this is happening? Do you know that is happening? Have you done this? Have you done that? And I'm really grateful to her. Hey guys, thank you. Thank you for being a darling. Anyways guys, it's been crazy, really crazy, combining this with work, with making YouTube videos. I'm trying to be consistent, guys, because consistency is key. So I'm trying to be consistent, trying to put out at least 1 video every week. Combining all that together has been crazy, but then I'm not complaining. I'm strong and I'm capable, so it's no big deal. I'll get to the office first of all and see how I can print out some necessary documents I need for this verification. So come with me guys, come with me, come.
What you wanna go and do that?
Beautiful. Thank you, but I'm not looking at myself. Okay. I'm videoing outside.
Okay.
So guys, I'm at the office, and here on my system this is a website. This is a website, and I'm trying to print out the documents like I mentioned earlier. My hair was Namshu. What is native name? Yeah. What? Man, this side should not do this to me. Kai. It's looking like there's a lot of traffic on the site, and there's so many people on the site, and yeah, it's like no good, because I have just today for this stuff. After today, man, I have other stuff lined up. Thank God. I also need to make photocopy of my ID card, so I'm going to the photocopy center right now. The journey continues. Let's go. My what? Okay. Oh, this place even has better lighting.
Yeah. There's no.
Now Coke I get. And Sprite.
Give me Coke.
Give me.
Coke.
Okay. What are you for coffee?
Because an ID card. This ID card, but I don't have change. I don't have change.
Show me to 200, right?
See, I find hair. I'm going to dye my hair very soon.
Biscuit is 50 naira.
Come now, come let's see your hair.
Bring your ID card.
I'm tempted to dye my hair, but man, I don't know, I'm scared. Man, change that girl.
Amazing.
You get to move on.
Why your name? Huh?
I'm always in
I'm not
the
yourself.
Oh, you always see me here?
Yes, I always see.
Come let you photocopy now. Or do something.
And that's your style.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's show you guys
You
back.
have been
Very fine.
so I have to
Thank you very much.
So you don't like her coming here? No, she's my friend and she does have. Anytime I come here, I don't tell her.
Yeah, you're the man.
It's not a
So
griffin
the
to
man.
be best.
Yeah, I'm the man. For the girl, them.
Yeah.
I dig up. Are you gon' be my lover? Are you gon' be my lover? Cause I don't want palava, wahala, no yawa. Are you gon' be my lover? Are you gon' be my lover? Cause I don't want palava, wahala, no yawa.
Do that, baby, why you wanna go and do that, and do that? Why you wanna go and do that, baby, why you wanna go and do that, and do that?
From the first day I met you, be like sending an SMS the way I did send you. All this bad belly people saying I should've left you, but I thought back, I'm like damn man, I stressed you. When I should've blessed you, impressed you, flexed you, changed your whole life, foreign trips, foreign menus. Let me ask you, are we good, are we bad news? It's a sad news if I never get to wife you. I didn't tell you, girl, not die I did. See the way your kiss when it bust my brain. Funny how they think that we can't relate. I just wanna get it off.
Good afternoon. Hope so, I never close. Now you know. Please, where should I reach? Place my village.
Just go. As you don't go home.
They said I'll go to Bosby for scooting.
That's first floor, you go to Bosby, that's first floor, first. When they clear you before you go to second floor for stamping.
Call 4 times.
I came with a vibe that you can't resist. I move with it tight just for emphasis. This love that we share, are you proud of it? Are you happy? Do you wanna record this shit? I'm playing. I really wanna do this thing for real. Let's make a movie. Let's make our own flicks and chill.
So I'm here now. I'm about to enter the Bosby. There are a lot of people inside there. I hope I finish on time.
Acting like they're friends, but they hating on you. Telling you that it ain't really nothing else you can do. So you gotta let me go, cause I'm acting a fool. Oh boy, it's this life will be too.
Man, this is seeming harder than I thought. Oh my goodness, the queue is much. So many things are not working. Oh boy.
Gabriel, come. Yes, I'm here. How is Sunday? I'm here. I'm here. What's the listening answer? Mr. Mayor, one blessing.
Sorry.
Easy.
I haven't done anything at all. This is where I should come to first, right?
Where's your remitter?
I have it here. I have everything here.
Pardon, sorry.
Well, unfortunately, I couldn't get anything serious done today. It's really annoying because I just spent money for nothing, honestly. I keep see me rushing like a madwoman trying to print out something I could have printed out in the office. I'm printing out not just one copy, printing out different copies because I came here and learned I needed that particular document. It's really annoying. Wasted time, wasted money. I don't do such. I do not like to waste. Wasted my precious time I could have used in editing a video. Well, anyways, I have no other option. I have to come back next tomorrow because tomorrow is definitely not seeing me here. No way. I'm going to bring you guys back here in 2 days' time. Hi, good afternoon. So I'm back at school again. This time around I came more prepared, hopefully. The last time I didn't have all my documents complete. I was actually misinformed. So 1 or 2 documents I was supposed to have, I didn't have them.
Are you gonna be my lover? Are you gonna be my lover? Cause I don't want palava, wahala, no yawa. Are you gonna be my...
So this time around I made sure I have everything here with me, so that we not need to go and come back. And in fact, there's actually no opportunity to go and come back because exams will be starting tomorrow, literally. Tomorrow being Friday. Anyways, I came here and I submitted, and there's a long queue already. I also to submit my documents and wait outside. So from the look of things, it's looking like one might have to spend the whole day here, but I'm hoping not because I still have other stuff to get on with. So hopefully my name is called on time and I just collect this stuff and go. I'm tired. I'll try and give you guys a sneak peek of what is happening because it's rude to just take footage of people without their consent. So even if it's their legs, I'll show you guys. I would just try and show you guys, give you guys an insight of what's happening around here.
Why you wanna go and do that? Baby, why you wanna go and do that? Why you wanna go and do that? Baby, why you wanna go and do that?
I came with a vibe that you can't...
I'm so happy. I'm finally cleared. I can write my exams next week. I've been coming here since Monday. Today is Thursday, and just yesterday being Wednesday I didn't come here. Either I came and then they've closed, or I came and my documents are not complete, or something like that. But today finally I am cleared. I told myself everything must be done. You see, I obviously have no makeup on. Today was not a day to look cute or anything of that sort. I needed to get my exam slip stamped. I needed to get cleared for my exams. That was the main thing on my mind. Number 1 thing on my mind. I'm going to write my exams come next week, Monday. Yay, guys, wish me success. By the time this video will be up,
Success.
thank you very much. By the time this video will be up, I would have started my exams already. So okay, so it's been my clearance vlog with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Now I'm going to head home and see how I can get my 3rd CMA done because it's closing tomorrow, guys. I'm taking a big risk. I haven't done my 3rd CMA. It's be closing 12 this night. Alright guys, I need to go now. Let me go get my TMA done. I have to pass. I can't joke my studies. Bye bye.